Model search. We are in search of models for bold, fun haircuts and colors. You can DM us or email Francesca Rivetti #1 @gmail.com and write model search in the subject line. You must be open for dramatic makeovers, which will include bold colors, bold haircuts, and we will be using you as a model with either in a live on an Instagram or live in teaching online programs or photo shoots and much more. So this is a fun opportunity for you to wear your hair as hair art, and that's what we're about at Follicle Studio. We are based in Fabric Row in Philadelphia, and we're always doing photo shoots and striving to up our game. Nominated hairstylists for the NAHA North American Hairdressers Awards, but we're looking for fun clients with hair attitude. So DM us now.